Josephine Perulli. Welcome to 3391 Baltic Drive here in the prestigious Riverstone community in Naples, Florida. Let's go inside and take a look. Come and discover this luxurious two-story home filled with upgrades. This home sits on a preserve at 3,300 square feet with 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, pool, and spa. The Conrad model greets you with a bright, formal living room and an elegant dining room. On the main floor, we have 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and many upgrades, which include porcelain imported tiles throughout, crown molding, plantation, and hurricane shutters. The bright family room opens to your custom gourmet kitchen with elegant granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and my favorite part, this cozy workplace for those of you who work from home. The second floor greets you with a timeless hardwood floors and a loft area that serves as a multi-purpose area for the family to enjoy. The second floor features 4 bedrooms, 2 share a Jack and Jill bathroom, a finished laundry room, and all bedrooms have custom closets. The spacious owner's suite overlooks the natural preserve views. Pamper yourself in the owner's suite's bathroom with extended shower and soaking tub. This natural preserve is the backdrop of your very own oasis in a setting of tranquility and peace with your extended lanai, pool, and spa, with plenty of space for outdoor entertaining. Riverstone features 286 acres of preserve with 12 lakes. The amenity center is centered around a beautiful resort-style pool, lap pool, heated spa, covered party pavilion with Wi-Fi. Kids can enjoy a covered playground, and little ones have a splash pad. The tennis enthusiasts can enjoy the 5 hard true courts, and basketball fans can enjoy indoor and outdoor basketball options. The 13,000 square feet and amenity complex offers a fitness center, activity room, social room with kitchen, game room, aerobic studio, and management offices. Riverstone is close to shopping, restaurant, schools, hospitals, and the closest beach is Delnor Wiggins Pass State Park, which is only 9 miles away. RSW International Airport is only a 20-minute drive on I-75. Don't miss this opportunity to live in luxury. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can reach me at the link below.